Hey y'all, welcome back to KingNQueenSlotz. We're playing this new Lightning Dollar Link game. These are the progressives. And I'm playing the checkered version. Just got the bonus. 2 cents, $2. Let's see what it do. Okay. Nice, nice. Keep dropping them. This is our first time at this casino, a new casino in Reno. Saw these new ones. It's like, oh, let's play these. Something different. I'll show you guys the game as soon as the bonus is over. Oh, there it is. Let's add it up. $48. It's down to my last 3. So let's press that so you can see the game. Checkered flag. Isn't this so cute? New games. So backup spin. So I'm not sure what you need to get the bonus. I'm just started playing, but if you look down here, I can do 2 cents for the 50 cent or the $1. And those are my bets. And each denom has the same option. So you can play it on a lower denom or you can play it on a higher denom. So I can put it at 50 and then my bet would only be $1. Nice. Alright you guys, I'm gonna keep playing and I'll be back if I get another bonus.
Alright, we're playing that Lightning Dollar Link. Corrida de Toros. Just got the ball game bonus, $20 in. This one here you can select 50 lines or 100 lines. So it's a Lightning Link / Dollar Storm collaboration from Aristocrat. Let's check out this bonus. Across, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That should be big. I think the bulls are wild, so I don't know. At least 12 bucks. 24, not bad. Looks like we're looking to get a good line hit. Kind of, sorta. $32, not bad. A little game play. Nice line hit. Pretty decent game. The other 2 I played, they were horrible. But we'll be back if we get a bonus. Secret location. New Aristocrat games.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Just got the bonus on this game. Second time. Got the holding spin. And you see how it says mini? So that's mini times 2. Awesome. My mom-in-law just got mini times 3. It had 3 minis on there. So let's see what we get. Trying to make me leave with what I came with. Alright. And this was a lucky chance spin, y'all. See? No credits. Awesome. Let's see. Oh, that was it. That's alright. Not bad for a lucky chance spin. use it because I had nothing left. $27 now. What's up? Flag checker. Checker flag. So, I think I need 3 of these to get the free games. But it's hard to see them when you really can't see them coming through. But I'll be back if I get another bonus, y'all. What's up, y'all? Just got the bonus again. Last 59 cents. It's giving me bonuses. Let's see what it do. Alright, got some good balls on. For my 50 cent. Anything above 50 cent is good. Come on. Uh-oh. He's playing with me now. Alright, let's see. Alright. Take that 50 cent. Get my little change back. Can I get a mini times 3? Since I know I can do that. Okay. Got 3 spots. Need something big. Okay. I'll take that. I'll also take that $10,000. Ooh, let's do it. Maybe next time. Oh my gosh. It's $20. Ashtray fell next to me. This is the machine. It was vibrating too much.
Yeah, I know.
All right, that was $20. Now we at $20.59. Let's do a backup spin. All right, you guys. That is checker flag. Thanks for watching.